Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money into Oanda safely. Oanda is a trusted global trading platform for the forex, commodities and CFDs. Before you can start trading, you need to fund your account. Depositing money safely is crucial to protect your funds and ensure smooth trading. Open any of the web browser. After that, once you get into this web browser, in the top you can find this address bar. Type down oanda.com and enter it and simply log into the top right corner over here and complete any of this. Type down your email, password and select to the login. And once logged in, you can go to your account. Over here you'll get into this dashboard. What you can do is you need to go to this deposit in the top left. In the left icons here, over here you can select deposit to your primary and also select the payment methods. And after that you can select to the continue here and also type down the deposit amount that you want to put down and select continue again and select confirm over here. And Oanda supports various safe deposit methods including the bank transfer or the wire transfer, secure for the large amounts, fast and convenient. Over here you can go to this. After the deposit has been done, you can go to the back to accounts here and double check all the details. For the accuracy, incorrect information can delay your deposit as well. And before confirming, review your deposit details. Carefully check the amount, account and payment method. Once confirmed, you can go to this, go back to your dashboard and check to your deposit, and Oanda will process the payment, which may take a few minutes for the cards or several business days for the bank transfers. You'll receive a confirmation email and your account balance will update accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.